That's all you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change email address to Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is you're first gonna go ahead, access a particular browser and type in duolingo.com and get into this kind of interface, right? Afterwards, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon given in the below right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface gonna appear, including this option called settings on top right corner. Tap on it. Here in this section you can find this option called name, username, and the email below right corner. You can go ahead, tap on the email, and you can simply cross it down and enter a new email, and then you will simply tap on this verify now, and now you will simply verify your particular email, and this verification email is now sent. You can go back, go to your Gmail of yours, and then you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on it and tap on this confirm email, and then you will be able to verify yourself the particular new email of yours, and you will be done. You can go back to your profile, tap on settings again, you can check out your email over there. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.